Hi guys, today we have with us a person who have got 15 lakh, 15.5 lakh a package with 1 month ka preparation. So Divya, we want to know about your journey, how you prepared everything, because that's going to be very exciting for everyone to know कि एक महीना पढ़ के कैसे होता है. Because a lot of time you see that मैं तो बिना पढ़े आ गया, मैं तो ये हो गया, वो हो गया. So we want to know about all those stories. So first, let's start with the background. Where are you from?
I'm from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and I hail from there itself. So basically, I was preparing for IB exams, that is Intelligence Bureau, and somehow the results were awaited back then. So I thought, ki let's give a try on CMAT. So when the forms got floated, I filled it, and then within 1 month of preparation, I got into IMT Nagpur.
So those who say ना कि बिना पढ़े हो गया या जो people think कि बिना पढ़े हो गया, she have worked hard for the other exam. So I'm sure उसकी preparation यहाँ पे काम
Exactly,
होगी.
the aptitude there as well. We have aptitude in IB exams as well. So the preparation that I put my efforts into in IB helped me in CMAT as well.
And was it GK as well in that exam?
Yes, but in CMAT, I don't think that GK helped me a lot, because in CMAT GK, I thought there were more of a current affairs questions. So for that, I need to prepare for prepare from newspapers or from magazines or online articles. So yeah, from there
So if anyone is doing last 1 year ka GK, for example, there are a lot of PDFs available in the market for monthly PDF. So अगर last 1 year का GK कर लिया जाए, you think
that would be a great help. That would be a great help for CMAT, I would say.
So एक महीना बाकी CMAT को, because exactly 1 month remaining for CMAT exam now. So if you can at least do 1 year का GK, at least current affair का part we can cover. So and CMAT के GK में it's not just about current affair, they convert into static as well. For example, there's some news coming up, so they might ask you a static based question on that news.
Exactly.
So if you can do that, I think that can. So GK might have helped you score more marks.
Exactly, sir.
Great. So once you came to the campus, so how this journey happened to get among the highest? You are among the, not the highest, but you are among the above average package of 15 points.
So it was quite an amazing journey for me, I would say. Right from since day one, the placement department here helped me a lot through rigorous training of placements through Cyclops. Here is a forum known as Cyclops, which takes care of your weekly aptitude test. Then we have regular training sessions held by placement department. So one-on-one mock interviews are held, and then rigorous training sessions, like from 3 to 4 months, there will be a rigorous sessions for the placements. So yes, placements
so
has been
weekly test, aptitude test means maths, verbal, logic wale test.
Maths, there will be maths, there will be DILR and English as well.
And that is toward the placement side or full year?
So the aptitude test will start from August itself.
When the season starts for
seasons of placement starts, then a Cyclops.
सारा साल तुम करवाओगे तो
No.
हाँ फिर ठीक है, then it's okay. So how college help you apart from this thing? What extra you gained?
So I would say I am from a finance background, and here teachers are amazingly good. They are like 24/7 available for you. Even if I have a doubt at 12, I would message them, and they would even in 24 hours they'll get back to me anyhow. So obviously teachers are very good
so
here.
So here you're allowed to contact the teacher after
exactly
class.
Yes,
so like typical खड़ूस की time है और 12 बजे
teachers are so helpful. You can even WhatsApp them. Not even mails are so formal. You can WhatsApp them and they can get back to you immediately.
So formally you can teachers can exchange the numbers.
Exactly, sir.
So that's good. Yeah, that's a good activity to do. So I think if you can have that kind of environment, it will help you. So now, what do you think was your strongest area? Because everyone has the same kind of caliber. Everyone can apply for the same job. So why you were selected? What were 1-2 things you think were your strong area, or you developed after coming to the campus?
Okay, so as I said, I am from a finance background. In my graduation also, I've done my honors in finance. So from the beginning, I think I have a good hold in finance. And when coming to this campus, I think since day one, I knew that I want to do my finance specialization in finance itself. So from the day one, I was well prepared that I have done many certifications. For example, I've done certifications from National Stock Exchange. I have done my basics in SQL as well, because I know I need to get into a data scientist or maybe AI world also. So I have done that part also. I've made myself positive enough in that area. Then
one thing I'm stopping you here. Yeah, this is, if you have this thing in mind, if you're already clear about what you want to do, I think there's half of the battle is done there only. Because if you're still decided कि marketing करूँ कि finance करूँ, then you are totally confused. And if you're coming with that kind of mindset कि from day one you know you're going to finance, then of course you end up learning more and you liking it more.
Exactly, sir.
Great, it helped you. Yeah, sorry, carry on.
Sir, as I said, I was interested in finance from the day one. So I have made myself clear the subjects that I want to opt, like since semester one. And then also here, when I faced any doubts, the teachers here are very helpful. I went to them and I approached them, and they have cleared my all doubts that whether you want to take the subject or not, or whether you should take this or not. So they have like clearly helped me a lot. So yeah, and also the certifications, as I said, helped me in my final placement, because when I have those certifications written in my resume, the interview will ask, okay, so you have done these certifications, so cross questioning will start. So I think that also helps me.
Help you a lot, right?
Yes, sir.
Great. So if I try to summarize your background, so you are more into academics, taking help from teachers, वो आपने किया, then you added up your certification, this and that. So I think that built up a very strong profile towards finance, and that helped you get the top job at campus.
Exactly, sir.
Great. All the best. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.